Understanding a dishwasher works, it really helps to kind of self-diagnose if you're having an issue, because there's some small differences between low and high-end foreign and domestic made dishwashers, but they all generally have the same parts and operate in the same way. So no matter if you've got 3 cycle options or 15 cycle options in a dishwasher, when you shut the door, it activates the door latch, door lock, door switch. They're all kind of called the same thing. Once you shut that and you hit the start button, you have a control board that sends 110 volts of electricity to a water valve. When that happens, that water valve opens and it allows the water inside the dishwasher. As it's filling, some dishwashers, typically like the LGs, the Bosch, the GEs, Samsungs, they actually have a sensor that monitors that water level as it fills. Your Kenmore, Whirlpool, Maytag kind of variety, they don't so much have a sensor as they have kind of like they know how long it's filling, and then they have a what they call a float switch. Every dishwasher has a float switch in one way or the other, and basically as the water level is increasing, as the unit's filling, it reaches a certain point where a switch, once that float activates the switch, it cuts power off to the water valve. So that not only tells us that it's full and ready to wash, but it's also kind of a safety measure just so it doesn't flood the house. So once the dishwasher is filled, it then cuts off the power to the water valve and sends 110 volts of electricity to the wash motor. So pretty much the only thing the wash motor does, it turns. As it does, it circulates the water through the spray arms. The majority of dishwashers now, because of how efficient they're making these dishwashers, the motor does not run the water through the lower and the upper spray arms at the same time. They have what's called an actuator, which will only run the water through the lower spray arm. It'll shift and then change it to where the water goes through the upper spray arm. So motor's running, the actuator's shifting from lower to upper. At some point, it will turn on the heating element. It will open the soap dispenser, then it activates the drain pump, and then it does it all over again. So pretty much you've only got really, 7, 8, 9 components in a dishwasher, from the control board, the interface that allows you to hit the buttons, the wash motor, the dispenser, the water valve, the drain pump, and some type of water level sensor or switch, and the door lock. And that's pretty much it. So if your dishwasher's not working, or it's not cleaning, or it's not doing something, it's only one of these 7, 8, 9 components.
Yeah.